Hi, I'm Dr. Rina. I'm a specialist dentist, and a lot of the questions that I get asked about home care routine is, should I use a mouthwash? And if yes, when? So the first thing is, if a dentist or hygienist has asked you to use a mouthwash, that might be more for medical purposes. That will be a part of your home care routine morning and evening. Ordinarily though, a mouthwash is used as a breath freshener, so usually you'd use this at a different time to brushing, otherwise you're washing away all the good stuff. So due to demand and how much people want to use something throughout the day between meetings, after lunch, we've actually designed our own mouth cleanse, and this is super easy to use. It's antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal. It also contains vitamins which help with gum health and oral health. And this is great to have in your handbag or pocket. And the way to use it, essentially, it's just 2 spritz in the mouth. So 1, 2, and that's it, you're done. And then you're ready to carry on. And you can use it as much as you want throughout the day. But I would say for this one, you want to use it separate to your AM and PM routines.